Want to launch your own Faceless YouTube channel? Or maybe you already have, and it feels like no one's watching. Then this is for you. I'm sharing exactly what happened in the first week of launching mine. I spent a month scripting, editing, building it all from scratch. Then I launched my channel. 5 Stickman-style videos, mindset, marketing, all published the next day. Each one took hours to create, and for the first 2 days, nothing. Not a single real view. Just me, refreshing the page, watching my own videos. All that work, and it felt like I was falling into the void. It was brutal. I knew the content was valuable, but I still questioned everything. Did I pick the wrong titles? Were my thumbnails too weak? Did I mess up the tags? Did YouTube even know I existed? Then on day 3, something shifted. The algorithm picked up one video, then another, and suddenly the numbers started moving. Views, watch time, real people commenting and sharing my content. And here's the wild part. These weren't friends or family, just complete strangers connecting with the message. I hit 50 subscribers fast, but what hit me hardest? A few empowering comments. People hoping the video would reach more viewers, wishing it would find those who needed it, encouraging me to keep going. That kind of support? Wow, it gave me fuel. Thank you for that. I'll never forget. I can't even explain what it did for me, because I've tried YouTube before. I've launched things that flopped. I've put in hours that led nowhere. But this time, it felt different. I wasn't guessing anymore. I learned from past experiences. I wasn't just testing ideas. I was finally creating something that felt like me. I blended education with simple, creative, Stickman-style storytelling. This time, I was building something real. All the doubt, all the effort. It wasn't wasted. This felt like the beginning of something that could actually grow and help people. But let me be real with you. That shift didn't happen by luck. It didn't happen just because I put videos out there or hoped hard enough. It happened because I changed how I build. Every move had purpose. I focused on serving first. I started with the title and thumbnail, before the script. I thought about the viewer's first 30 seconds, and I asked myself, would I click this? Before making the video, I applied what I'd picked up along the way. I wrote down a clear goal, a roadmap, and I'm sticking to it. Sometimes everything feels in place, and it still falls flat. That was me in the first few days. No traction, no views. And I thought, did I do something wrong? But that's just how it starts. You're not invisible, you're just early. And that early phase, it's quiet, it's uncomfortable. It messes with your head. But if you keep showing up, if you keep creating through that silence, you give the algorithm something to work with. People will start watching one video, then another. And just like that, you're not a stranger anymore. You're someone they want to hear from. That moment, it's everything. Drop a comment if you're building something right now. And subscribe for more bold content.